Currently playing Cat Mario HD here. I've heard this game is such a freaking hard game. I've watched FaZe Jeff play it, and I will be showing you some FaZe Jeff videos. He's very funny, guys. He rages a lot. Alright, minigame. Let's play minigame. I like to play minigame. Alright. Yeah. What? This game is supposed to make you rage. What? Bro, I was about to freaking... Alright. Golly. What? It's like impossible. No, it's impossible to beat this game, guys. I am sorry, but don't play this game. It is very much... What? This game is freaking hard. Oh, dang it. Wait, what the crap? Oh my gosh, guys. It's hard. Oh. I can't even get past the first level, guys. Oh. What? Oh! Are you... Oh my god. This guy said you have to get like... This guy said you have to die like 400 times to win the game. Apparently, that's what he said. You have to die like 400 times to win the first round. I can't even get past the freaking first round. Oh my... Yeah. Dang, it shouldn't be this hard. Oh. What? No, you're kidding me, right? No, come on. Oh my god, this game's such a troll, bro. I keep forgetting about that block. What? Alright, I keep forgetting about that block. I forgot that time. Even though I didn't even go on it. Dang it, forgot again. Alright, as soon as I get on it. It's too hard, guys. The thing goes super fast. Like, you have to be like super real. Oh, guys, alright. It's so hard. Oh, I forgot all about that. Bro, this is not even fair. Oh, no, I can't. Dang it. I forgot all about that cloud. Because, bro, I don't know, but this game. I remember. Nope. Dang, I keep thinking I'm gonna hit that thing. See ya. Oh my god. No. Invisible blocks? Did y'all see that? I jumped on the... Oh, there we go. I said... Oh, did y'all see that? This time, I didn't fall in that. Somehow I glitched. So watch, let's see if I can get past it. No. Yep. No! Bro, I'm down 34 times. I can't get past the first round. Half of the times I died, I've been in the start the whole time. Oh. Did you see that, bro? I freaking hit. You know what? Oh my. I'm about to quit. No, this game. Oh my. I'm gonna delete this game. Are you kidding me, bro? Alright, I got this one. Yes. What? Nope. This game sucks. Buddy. I keep messing up by an inch. No, I jumped. Yes. That block, bro. I don't know how to get past it. I just get lucky. I don't know what I'm getting on that thing. I'm apparently getting luck. Yes. No! It's always that block that messes me up, guys. Alright. Oh, I thought that block was gonna get me, so I just jumped low. And of course, it gets me the second time. I blinked my eyes for a second. Apparently a half second and I died. You can't blink your eyes when you're playing this game. Died 49 times. No, that stupid block! Bro, how do I get past it? No, I hit that guy. Oh my god. No. This is a joke, right? Who invented this game, bro? Literally, who invented... I got a plan if I make it over there. No, I messed up. Every time I jump, when I jump, it always... See guys, it always completely fails. Every time I jump. Oh my... Yeah. Alright guys, I'm about to quit. As soon as it gets to 100 deaths, I'm quit. As soon as it gets to 100 deaths, I'm quitting this game. Are you... No. I got this. This game's really hard, guys. Don't download it or you will get... No! Dang it, bro. I just want to get past the block and then boom, I got it. I got this. Yep, I'm done apparently, guys. I don't know, but this game apparently is starting to take me off. Yes, no! Dang it, if I could jump a little lower, it's always me messing. Really? Yes. No! Oh my, bro. I was this close. Did y'all see that? I didn't jump as high that time because I didn't want to. It's too hard, guys. I think I found out a way to get past the block. I think I found a way to get past it. Oh, I forgot all about it. You just forget the traps sometimes. Oh, nope. I did not figure out a way, guys. I ain't gonna figure out a way until I get to the 200 death. No, I ain't gonna find out nothing. Apparently, I can't beat the game. Apparently, I'd probably have 1,000 deaths when I tried to beat the game, apparently. Wait a minute. Maybe? I think I know how to get past it. See, jump high? Dang, nope, that gets me killed right there. Actually, first of all, I'm gonna try to land it. Yes, no. I keep thinking I'm gonna hit that. I got this. I'm remembering the traps. Yes, yes, yes. Holy crap, guys. No! Y'all see that? Guys, come on, please tell me I got a spawn point. No. Back to the start, guys. Dang it. Guys, I am doing so good here, guys. Complete fails. I don't know, but this game is freaking hard. Wow. Literally after... Oh yeah, oh yeah. I thought I had that game for a second. That time. Look at this, guys. I'm doing wait. Guys, no way. I blinked my eyes for a second. Crap, sorry about that, guys. It's called Cat Mario. It's apparently a troll game. It's really hard to beat, apparently. And plus, on computer, it's like, on computer, it's more easier, I think. No! This is really making me mad, guys. Yes, yes! Oh, oh, oh! No! What? Did you see that? I hit the top of the guy. Nope, this game's freaking... Nope. This game's lying. No, an inch, bro. Alright, one more game and I'm done. Make this the game that I do boss. Alright, wow. So good. I'll do one more game, guys. Just for y'all. That blog, guys. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that like. And if you want me to do more videos like this and more games that are really hard, then just write it in the description. I will read it sometime. Peace out, guys. Thanks, and I hope you subscribe and like. Bye.